Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts in AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead and give your credentials, then sign into your AOL Mail account. Now tap on the two letters on the address bar, then select Request Desktop Website. Once you do that, in couple seconds you can see your screen somewhat like this. Now scroll down and select Contacts from there. Now from the contacts, select the contact that you want to delete. Then scroll. Now select Edit Contact from the screen and scroll down. Now there you can see at the end there's Delete Contact option. Tap on it, then select OK from your screen and you can see the contact has been deleted. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete contacts in AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.